if you guys can hear the wind, but it's steady and gusting over 10 miles an hour. It's very, very windy, especially for a little plane like this, and we're going to see how it goes. It's the windiest day I've flown any plane, nonetheless my smallest plane. I don't know how fast it's going, but it's going pretty fast. And now it's going pretty slow. Basically bring it to just about a standstill. I don't know how the sun's interfering with this or not. It was a lot of fun. That's just the wind carrying it. I have no throttle right now. I should probably give it throttle though. Just floats there. That was cool. I don't know if I caught that on camera, but it was literally just floating there. It was not moving at all. This is fun. I don't know if I'd call this extreme wind flying, but that's probably what I'm going to title the video. Because for this little plane, this is extreme wind. Really having to fight it. Yeah, I'd say it's extreme wind now. It's gusting a lot more. This is fun though. The whole thing handles are pretty nice. Gotta just get it to float there. Yes. I hope I caught that on camera. That was cool. It was literally just hovering there. Literally. I'm breaking the rules though, because they say when you're flying with high winds, you're supposed to keep it in front of you, going into the wind, and then when you go against the wind, still keep it in front of you on this side. Like I'm going into the wind right now, I should keep it on this side of the field, but I'm breaking the rules so I can try to hover it right in front of myself. I need those wind gusts. Yes! Oh, that's so fun. Oh, that may have been... Oh my gosh. I can't do this with a plane where it's a landing gear plane, but when I've got a hand launch belly land plane, it works great. It's fun. Oh my gosh, I could just give it full throttle and just let go of it and it'd start going. It's got enough lift with no throttle at all. That's so great. Quite cool doing that. It's a lot of fun. I got another battery here.